channel. First things first, what I want to say before starting this makeup tutorial, I want to announce the winners for the giveaway. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, my last video I posted HEYYY lookbook, and I announced that there will be 2 winners that are going to win 2 wigs. Since there were so many people, I decided let me just stretch this giveaway out a little bit more. So what I want to do is I want to give away 4 wigs to 4 people. Let me go ahead and announce these winners. The first winner, her name is in your bio, girl, it says this is your full name, so I'm just gonna say your full name and I'm gonna say your Instagram. Okay, Kiona McGowan. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your first name right, girl. I'm gonna have your Instagram right here. It's K.Nicole_M. Congratulations, girl, you have won a wig. I'm going to DM you so you can go ahead and send me your address and I can ship it out to you, girl. So congratulations, you have won a wig. Second winner is Taylor. Hey Taylor, girl, your name on Instagram is March_XXIII. I'll have your Instagram down here, right here, girl, for you, okay? You are the second winner, so congratulations, you have won a wig, girl. I will be DMing you too as well, so look out for my DM. And then we have the third winner. The third winner, her name is Casey or Cassie, I don't know which way you pronounce it, girl, but you want a wig. Your Instagram name is XO_Cassie_XO. Congratulations, girl, you have won a bomb ass wig, okay? And last but not least, Joya21, you have won a wig. Thank you all so much for supporting me and going ahead and doing all of those things to win this giveaway. Congratulations, thank you. Look out for my DM. I will be DMing you all. Now, for the ones that didn't win, you will get another opportunity. I am looking forward to do more giveaways for you all. I really want to give out some human giveaways, wig giveaways too as well. So yeah, thank you all so much for entering the giveaway, and congratulations to the winners. So yeah, that's about it for the giveaway. Let's get started on this face right here. If you guys want to see this beats, go ahead and finish watching. Mwah. So for my eye look today, I really want to use this one palette. I know usually I use like 3 different palettes for my eyeshadow look, but I'm trying to stick with just one palette for this look, the Juvia's Place palette, and this is their Nubian 2 palette. Really pretty colors in here. You got some royal blue, some gold, some copper colors, some shimmer, some mattes, burgundy, dark brown. It's pretty green down here. It's definitely giving me like fall vibes for sure. This whole palette is giving me that. The first shade that I really want to take as my transition is Madagascar. Here, this is what the color looks like. That's Madagascar, and I'm gonna take that first. Almost like a really sandy, dry looking, like a sandy brown kind of color, and I'm gonna take that as my transition first. What I like about these, the names of these colors in the Nubian palettes, they're very interesting. So if I'm pronouncing these wrong, like, sorry, I apologize, because sometimes y'all be correcting me, and that's okay, because I be needing to know. So the next shade that I'm going to take is Jezebel, and this is a matte shade. This is like a purple. It is purple. It's like a plum purple. This is the shade here. This is the shade swatched on my finger here. And I just go back and forth with my transition shade, and I just blend those two out together, and I just go back and forth to make sure everything is blended, and I just keep going back with the color until I feel like I have it deep enough. I'm gonna get deeper and deeper with the colors. So now I'm taking Kenya. This is basically a dark chocolate brown. Here is the color Kenya here, and this is the color swapped on my fingers. Now that plum purple shade, I don't want to lose that color, so I'm definitely going to take this right in my crease area, and I'm going to try not to lose the purple color. I just want to deepen and make this color more intense. The next shade I really want to take is Morocco. I believe this is how you pronounce this word. It's basically a really pumpkin orange color. This is the shade here. Here's the swatch on my finger. Now that that is on, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX lip liner, my NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to line my lid. Now I don't know if I want to do a thin wing or a thick wing. Don't know where I want to go with it. I think I want to go a little bit thin here and then thick outward. Okay, so I put on my lashes, my dramatic ass lashes. Okay. Just don't be under the comments talking about some, oh my god, girl, your lashes is too much. I just don't care. Okay, these is what I like, period. And for my foundation, I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Their new Luminous foundation. This has been my go-to. I need to like stop because I need to just re-up on my drugstore foundation, and I don't want to run out of this because this is way more expensive. I have this one in 470C. This is my shade. I look crazy right now, okay, but that's okay. I'm getting there. I'm going to set the remaining of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poorless, and this is in Coconut 355, and I'm just going to set all over with this. I'm going back in with this palette, and I think I'm going to take the Morocco color and the Jezebel color, and I'm going to take that right under my eye. You guys know how I get down with the colors under the eye. Like, I really don't do eyeliner under my eye, so this is just like a substitute for that. Black eyeliner to me, I don't know if that, I don't know, I tried before several times to do black eyeliner under my waterline, but it just never works for me. It just never looks right. So before I set my face with spray and do my highlight, I am going to go in with the Saharan Blush volume number 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is the color B in this palette. I kind of want to dive into that one a little bit too, so I'll see, but I'm going to use this one first. I'm going to highlight after I set my face. Right now it's very matte. It has this powder look, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe mist first to take away the powder, and then I go over it with the NYX matte to make sure everything is locked in and matte, because when I use the Morphe mist by itself, it gives me this dewy effect, and I really don't care for that dewy look. So to not have that problem, I'm using the NYX matte finish spray. Really been liking this little thing I've been doing lately. I don't know if I have done it in one of my tutorials yet, but I take the Warrior Juvia's palette, and I like to take the color, I'm just going to put it on the screen, the name of it, because I definitely am not going to pronounce this word right. And it's a very a pretty yellow gold eyeshadow color. So I'm going to take that color, and I'm just placing that right on my brow bone. I like to put a little bit on my nose. Chin. I've been really into like just a matte look with no shimmer on the face. Just like my brow bone, a little bit on my nose. Just gonna take a little bit of it. I really want to just take like a dark brown lip liner and see how this looks all over my lips, and then we can go from there. So let me see how this looks by itself first, and then we can see if I need to mix it with something or I can just keep it. Okay, this look has definitely turned into some gothic type of shit. Okay, hold on. The color Expresso by NYX, and I'm gonna go over this shade right here. Ooh, this actually made my lips look bigger Now on camera it looks like my lips are black, but it's definitely like a dark brown in the mirror. So hopefully the color is taken up the right way because it definitely looks black as hell on camera right here. So y'all, I'm giving you guys pumpkin spice latte for sure. Like, I'm definitely liking this look. It's giving me into the season, and this is what I was kind of like going for. So I'm happy that this look came out like this. Let me know if you guys like the lip that I came up with. You guys know, like, I usually use like 5 different lips just to get like what I'm looking for. Yes, I love you baby dolls so much. If I forgot to say anything in this video that you would like to know, let me know down below. I'll get back to you all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it for this video. I have everything listed down below of everything that I used, of course, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah. Love you.